Y'all, these curls are off the chain. Look at these curls. Ooh. Lip check. Okay, yeah, anyway, so the point of this video was to show you guys how I apply my makeup, especially to my eyes while wearing individual lashes, and then also show you how I wash my face and remove the makeup while wearing the individual lashes. Now, granted, the makeup didn't come out the way I wanted it to, especially because these are new things that I was trying. I bought $400 worth of makeup, which I really shouldn't have done that for this video, but alas, here we are. Cannot go back in time. Unfortunately, I'm not the Flash. The point still remains, I have makeup on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna show you how I remove makeup from my eyes, especially with these individual lashes. Yeah, because it's like starting to cake. Next time I do this video, I'm going to show you how I normally apply makeup to my skin and my eyes while having individual lashes. But for right now, we're just going to focus on removing said makeup from my skin, as well as especially from my eyelashes. I do have one that's falling off. I just put that there and I knew that wasn't going to stay. So I know some of them are going to fall out, but it's okay. Let's go to the bathroom.
Now I know y'all know Black Friday is around the corner, right? But the blackout is still going on at the COLDEST Water. Up to 50% off select random drops throughout the entire month, and up to 20% off the entire website at thecoldestwater.com/blackout. To shop the COLDEST Blackout, simply use blackout for 20% off your COLDEST gear. Ends November 30th.
Okay, so I am in my bathroom. So the first thing I like to do is get my hair out my face and out my face. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap my hair up real quick. Okay, so my hair is up, my face is exposed. I'm gonna actually turn you guys this way. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know about this bad boy right here, but Micellar Water is really good for like removing all types of makeup. But I'm gonna show you how I remove the makeup off my face, as well as removing the makeup from the lashes without removing the lashes. So I'm just gonna take a couple of these cotton pads and I'm gonna really soak it. Is kind of put it on my eye, and I'm just gonna leave it there for a second, for just a few moments. Just like let the stuff dissolve. Applying it to the top of my eyes ever so gently. So this is just gonna remove most of the makeup, just a majority of it. I'm gonna take another pad that has the micellar water on it, and I'm just going to do the same thing to this eye. So just place it, making sure that it covers all the eyelid. My eyes gotta be completely short, otherwise it's going to get in the eye. And what this really does is just like, this completely breaks down the makeup. I love it. I love it so much. Look at that. Just look at that. That's what's all on my eyelid. Oh no, I squeeze it so it's kind of like dripping in my eye. Ah. So when I say soaked, you want to just make sure there's a liberal amount on it, and you want to try not to squeeze, because this will get in your eye if you squeeze it and your eyes open. Because for me, for some reason I cannot completely close my eyes. I have big eyes. Wipe my lashes, just like the top of it, gently though. It'll be easier to do with like a Q-tip. But I'm just gonna get around my eyes first. Look how it just removes everything. Like, this stuff is the truth. In all honesty, like, I really don't use that much makeup on my eyes when I have like these lashes on, because the point of having these lashes is so that I can do like the bare minimum. Do my eyebrows, possibly put on some lip gloss, and go, because my skin's actually really good. It's not that bad. But like, just so I can show you like how to remove everything, how easy it is, I'm doing the most. So I kind of removed most of everything that's like on my face, but I'm going to go in one more time, and I'm just going to lay it, close my eyes and lay it on top, and I don't want to say smush it in, but I'm firmly pressing it on my lashes. I used to use oil to take my makeup off, but once I found out about this joint right here, it works so well. Look at that. Very good. Because I mean, I know it says that you don't have to use like soap and water. I'm going to use soap and water because that's just nasty. To wash my face, I'm going to use this Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser by Neutrogena. It's really good for sensitive skin as well.
Guess I'll go super.
All the makeup has been removed from my face. So I'm just gonna take some of this squalene oil. This is literally the only thing I really use on my face when it comes to skincare. To dry my lashes, it's important to dry them. So I'm really just separating and blowing. You can see it's like really starting to expand. It's another reason why it's like really important to like brush your lashes while it's drying, because it will dry together and you don't want that. Alright, so you guys can see like how it looks from the top. There's no eyeshadow, there's no makeup, it's all completely clean. Alright, well, thank you so much for joining me today. I don't even know how to end this video. Like I said, you guys, this is like the truth when it comes to removing makeup, especially off of the eyes. When you have individual lashes like this, it's dope. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Simple, right? Very easy, very simple. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching, but don't leave just yet. I am pretty sure you're going to enjoy these other two videos. So click it before it's too late.